No diving. Or you know bed rules. Or...
Tune a dictator taking over, a devil offering forbidden items, and a maniac selling their soul for power, my Minecraft SMP has been spiraling into corruption for the better part of the year, and if the cycle continues, who knows what chaos will come next.
Peter, we've had complaints from all over town. You're gonna have to stop with the kicking.
Oh, yeah?
You're in my world now, not your world. I've got friends on the other side.
And when I walk in all that I'm is you say, Daddy's home.